Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the MuveAcoustics A-Star speaker. What we have here is the blue variant. Before opening, let's take a look at the box itself. The box looks pretty aesthetic. It's got a fancy looking magnetic flap on the side. At the back, you see the specifications and instructions. It's got Bluetooth 4.1 with a 10-meter range. Now let's open up the box. On the left, you have a ripple audio waveform effect along with the MuveAcoustics logo on it. On the right, you have the speaker itself. And you have a small box. You have the micro USB charging cable. And the user manual and warranty instructions. Now coming to the speaker. The speaker is lightweight and is made of plastic. The build quality seems pretty good. It weighs 249 grams. The speaker has got a 45 mm mono speaker driver providing a bold bass. It is also rated for IPX6 water resistance. On the center, you see the MuveAcoustics logo. Coming to the sides, you see the power button or the Bluetooth pairing button and the volume controls. Along with that, on opening the flap with the micro USB icon, you see the micro USB charging output. At the back of the speaker, you see the attached 3.5 mm audio cable, which can be used to listen to music via your phone or laptop while not being connected to Bluetooth. Along with that, you have a cap which, upon twisting, exposes an industrial grade nylon strap with a clip which can be used to attach it to your backpack or something while traveling. This speaker has a built-in battery providing up to 6 hours of playtime with a recharge time of 2.5 hours. So that's it guys. That was the unboxing of the MuveAcoustics A-Star speaker. Thank you for watching and goodbye.